Listen, piece of cake moving was the easiest thing I've ever done. They came to my apartment. They, everything in sight, they just wrapped up very, very carefully. They moved it, they threw out anything I needed. I sat down like this and didn't move a muscle. And I was stunned because then all of a sudden they drove to the new apartment and unpacked everything. And I didn't do anything. And I'm telling everyone, oh yeah, I gotta move today. It's gonna be a headache. Just hire a piece of cake, move. It's the most simple thing in the entire world. Hire a piece of cake. So you just get the benefits of telling everyone you're moving so people feel bad for you, but you don't even have to move a muscle. They're the best in the business. Just make sure